nasa 88% sa LRB, 85% sa NCB, at 89% sa CSD. Yan po ang accuracy ng forecast ng Metro Sales. Salamat. At para po sa ating sales performance, sabi nga, the warrior professionalism stage, yung planning, execution, analysis. Napaka-importante. No? Back to basics, ginawa natin yan. Cloud coverage, service improvement project, o program, yung congruent activity, post SKU setting. At sinabi natin, isa pa lang ng taon, we plan our load 70-30. And we load our plan. At we sell our load. At gusto natin, maging 85% na all productivity natin. At